Hey, this is Eddie. I want to review this book 30 Days If You Suddenly Lose Everything. What could you do from day 1 to day 30 to save yourself? Written by Russell Brunson. And why every entrepreneur should get hold of this book. Basically, what Russell Brunson did was send emails to some of the most successful ClickFunnels winners, asking them what would you do over 30 days if you suddenly lose everything, and you would have to start from zero. Not only did many of them respond, but they sent to him brilliantly detailed action plan for the 30 days. For the reason the title of the book is You Suddenly Lose Everything. On the other hand, all these people are winners of the 2 Club. The 2 Club is a group of entrepreneurs who has reached the seven figure and made a sale close to $1 million or more sales in their one product or service inside ClickFunnels funnels. As you know, $1 million has 2 comma. All these people ending on a stage with the 2 Club award in their hands. All the winners laid down in this book step by step exactly what they would do if they lost it all. Each of them using different strategies, for example, e-commerce, affiliate, online courses, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, etc. You can learn from their marketing strategies and apply it to your business or start a brand new. Use this book as a guide to grow your business. It's inspiring, but more importantly, it's an actionable blueprint. I read this book aloud for an hour a day because I'm from Peru. As you may have noticed, English is not my first language. By the way, this book is hardcover. The writing is quite big. Chapters are writing from people that are incredible, talented, and wealthy. You know the old saying goes, you can lead a horse to the water, but you can make it drink. Well, this book is the water. Now it's your job to take a drink. Have you ever noticed that all of us place more value on things we pay for? I will leave the link down below in the description so you can get this book down below in the description through the One Funnel Away Challenge. The One Funnel Away Challenge is essentially a program that provides guidance and support for those looking to become successful entrepreneurs. If you have any question, comment below If you like this video, like it and consider to subscribing for the channel for more content like this. And do not forget, get your book down below in the description. And thanks for watching.